welcome to my channel. Today, I'll tell you about the benefits of natural skincare. If you use banana on your face for a long time, you'll find your skin become soft and more moisturized. Pick a medium-sized banana, mash it into a paste, spread it evenly on your face and neck. Leave it on for 10 to 20 minutes. Then, wash it off with room temperature water. If you want to fight acne too, try this stronger version. Mash a medium banana and 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey is a natural acne fighter, so the effect will be better. Everyone, see which one fits your skin needs best. If you want to learn more about beautiful Asian skincare methods, please leave a comment and let me know. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you. See you next time.